So in this video, I'm going to discuss the top 3 skills of a web designer. So if you're a web designer and if you're struggling to get clients, or if you're wondering where should I improve, so I'm going to give you the top 3 top skills which you require to be successful. So guys, let's get started. So guys, before I begin this video, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So stay tuned and let's go. So the first one would be, a lot of people say that you need to know this coding, you need to know this language, you need to know HTML, CSS, Java, but for me, all is BS. The first thing which you need to know and you need to improve is your communication and your time management skill. Okay, so I struggled that a lot. I was really good in CSS, Java, a lot of languages, but the thing which I was lacking was in communication. Okay, that's the basic of any business model. If you want to do business, or if you're a freelancer as well, and if you're struggling to get clients, you need to remember communication is the key. Once you meet the client, once he discusses the project, you need to communicate with him what you exactly want and what he exactly wants. Convey the message, just make communication very simple, because I always a lot of people struggle with communication. The client said something else and you make something else, and then later you start reiterating it or start changing it. Waste a lot of time, and even the customer or the client is not satisfied. The second one would be providing directions and providing them value. This means is, if the client wants a website in HTML, you could, you are from this industry, you need to update him that, right now, if for your business, I would suggest going with WordPress, or I would suggest using some other platform. You need to be provide him value, give him all the benefits that, if you go with this one, it's much more easier for you. If I hard code the website, every time I need to update it. So make sure you give him proper options and also provide him value. Overachieve. If you create a website for him, and make sure you create social media pages for him as well. Okay, just go one step ahead. So just go above the expectation. That's it, guys. So provide your client value and just go above it. The third one would be just adapt to learn and evolve. Okay, there are a lot of things. Technology after 10 years would be completely different, so always learn and evolve. Okay, and just be smart enough. So right now, for just one example I would give you, let's say you want to edit some images, there are a lot of online tools you could do it from. They would save you time. So you just need to evolve. Okay, just don't get stuck with one technology and never update yourself. Always keep updating, always keep learning. And there are easy ways of doing things as well. So always remember, there are a lot of easy things rather than just using the old technique. Learn and adapt. Even the SEO strategies, people before used to use some old techniques. Now it's getting more updated as per the new Google updates. So you need to be up to date and always be willing to learn and adapt. I think so that's it for today's video. These would be the top 3 skills you need as a web designer. You must be wondering, where are the coding and where is the things which I need to learn? But I believe these are the top 3 things, and let me know in comments what you think. And that's it for today's video. And guys, if you would like to learn more about web design business, I've created a free course. So the link is down below. In that course, it's a free course where I show you how you could start a business from home. It's very simple and easy. The link is down below. And that's it for today's video. If you find this valuable, please consider subscribing, and I would see you in the next video. Yavar Khan signing off.